I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now let's get started. This file cannot be deleted, as you can see. Now let's fix it. Go to the local disk. Properties. Security. Advanced. Change the owner. Add. All permissions should be checked. Now you can delete a file without any problems. Thanks for watching.